Hello, today we are going to learn how to use column organization along with grading periods to organize your grade center. Now, the first thing you need to do is go into your Blackboard course and navigate to your full grade center under the course tools menu under course management. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create your grade periods. So in order to do that, we're going to go to manage and we're going to select grading periods. After you are in here with your grading periods, you can see that we have some already created here for us, but we're going to create a grading period. Creating a grading period is very simple to do. You simply just need to give it a name. You can also provide a description in the description field if you so choose, but it is not required, whereas a name you must put in order for it to save appropriately. You can also put a dates criteria. I recommend always putting a dates criteria. This will give you the ability to automatically associate columns that have due dates within this range into the grading periods instead of manually having to move them into the grading periods. So always a good thing to do. If you do want to associate multiple items because you have filled out your due dates, when you built the items within the content area, you will check mark that box and then you will submit. Alright, after you've submitted, you'll see you get the green success bar, and if you scroll down you should be able to see your week 17 is what we've created here, and you will see the date range that you've associated with it. Now, once you've created all of your grading periods, and I do suggest creating them first, you go back into Full Grade Center, and you're going to go back under that Manage button again. You want to go to Column Organization. This button actually is a very handy tool within Grade Center. Column Organization allows you to see all of your columns and how you've associated them. As you can see here, there are many things associated into the different grading weeks. The other thing is you can see hidden columns. So if we scroll back up here, we can see that we do have some hidden columns here. If you accidentally hide a column within the Grade Center, and it's not just a hide from users, it's an actual hiding the column, you would come here to Column Organization, and this is where you can select the columns and use the Show Hide feature to show or hide the column. Now, for assigning to grading periods, as you can see, since we associated everything already, they're already broken up into weeks. But if we scroll down to the bottom, we will have a group of things that are not in the associated with a column yet. So to associate them, you just select the column you want to do, and then you go change grading period, the third option down here, and you can change it into whatever week. And as you can see, it automatically moves that. Now, even though they're automatically moved into the grading period, it does not actually save and become viewable in the full grading center until you select submit. So once you've moved them, even though it automatically establishes them into the grading period that you select, you must push submit, or else it won't actually save in the view that's given to the students. Now when you're done, you'll see the green success bar, which I just exited out of, and then you will notice that the Grade Center will reload itself. This has been Aiden Sizemore with how to create a grading period and use column organization within Full Grade Center.